I don't know if you can see this very well. Stuff on the tip of the blade there. A little bit up in there. You can see it all along, like this edge here. Inside the groove there. And there's some on that end. Oh, there's a nice bit. Oh yeah, some nice chunks of meat. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what that is, oh, what is this guy showing us? That's a little bit of meat. That's what happens when a drill blade snaps off, and you sink it all the ways up to about here, right there in your hand. Oh yeah, that hurt. You can even see how it scraped a little bit before it dug in and went whoop. Almost went all the way through. My hand's quite swollen. Should go get stitches, but hey, does it look like it's bleeding bad? We're good. But yeah, note to self, don't overly press hard while drilling, especially if you're holding the object you're drilling into. I suggest not holding anything you're drilling into, even if you're not pressing hard, just in case. Alright, have a good one.